The chart of accounts shows the categories, descriptions, and the general ledger account numbers that make up the elements of the income statement, and shows revenue account numbers usually beginning with the number 4 and expense account numbers beginning with the number 5. Revenue is the lifeblood of for-profit firms and the main sources of funds used for generating income and sustaining business operations toward the goals of the firm. Sales to customers might be for cash or on credit terms, allowing customers time to pay at a later date, such as in 30 to 90 days, and are major sources of revenue for large organizations. A firm might occasionally sell depreciated vehicles, machinery, and equipment, or old and obsolete office equipment, which would be shown as other revenue on the income statement because they're not part of the regular or main sources of income for the firm. Cost of goods sold are the cost of the merchandise inventories that are sold to customers during a specific period. The related costs to acquire the inventories that are sold are expensed and called cost of goods sold for the period. Expenses are resources used up by the organization toward running the business and earning income and to keep the organization going. Cost of goods sold accounts are considered special types of expense accounts. Some popular type of expenses of firms include rent expense, salaries and wages, office expense and supplies, utilities expense, insurance expenses, workers' compensation insurance expense, advertising and promotion expenses, depreciation expenses, and the bad debt expenses, vehicle, traveling and entertainment expenses. A brief note on employees versus independent contractors. Organizations must distinguish between amounts paid for the services of employees of the firm and amounts paid for services provided by outside individuals and firms called independent contractors. The activities of employees are controlled directly by the human resources guidelines of the firm, while independent contractors are not controlled by the firm but are expected to use their own professional expertise and judgment and methods to perform services to the organization. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this demonstration and have a great day.